What's up guys? Today I'm going to do a quick fire video. I'm going to try and keep it under 5 minutes so you get a good bang for your buck in terms of content. So you're not getting anything else from me. So caloric density. Today we're going to talk about that. What is caloric density? So first things first, this concept can be used for gaining weight, losing weight, fat loss, muscle gain, whatever, because it's so effective that you can manipulate it however you want to work for you. This is the main thing to realize when you're trying to do flexible dieting. When you're trying to diet, with a flexible mindset, whether you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, maintain any of, like anything to get to your fitness goals. Caloric density is, you have to use it. So, you have to understand it. What it is everything you eat has calories. Some food has more, some food has less. And you say, why? Because of caloric density. That's what it is. So a piece of pizza, okay, let's say it's that big, has, 200 calories. I'm being optimistic, like 300, okay? And caloric density is basically the amount of calories you get for a given weight. So a pizza that big, 300 calories. 300 calories, I can have a bowl of rice and some vegetables, or a bowl of rice and some meat, or I can have literally, like, if you give me lettuce, 300 calories of lettuce, I can't eat it in one sitting. It's like, it's going to be boom, like that much. 100 grams of broccoli in weight, raw weight, is around 30 calories. Can you imagine that? And for example, if you compare it to a donut, 100 grams of a donut, fried dough, that's like upwards of 200 calories. So 200 in a donut versus 30 in broccoli, for example. So that is the concept of caloric density. So let's go practical, let's do quick. So, how do you use this? Well, if you're trying to lose weight, you want to eat less calorically dense foods most of the time. I mean, or all of the time if you want. But, you want to live a bit, so because usually the calorically dense foods are the tasty foods, like chocolate bars, donuts, pizza, whatever, Pop-Tarts. So, you can have a bit of that, that's fine. But most of your diet, if you're trying to lose weight, should come from not calorically dense sources. So, things like, you can replace your rice with cauliflower, you can replace your whole milk with skim milk. You can replace, full fat cheese. A block is a lot of calories, but low fat cheese, the same block, has less calories. So that's less calorically dense. You know what I mean? Yeah. And if you're trying to gain muscle, trying to gain weight, and you're struggling to put down the calories, again, you can use this concept. So you can have more calorically dense foods. So for example, okay, I need to get down 5,000 calories a day. Not that I've ever had that much, I wish. Not like The Rock or something, but okay. What I would do is probably focus on, I'll still hit my basics, for health, like eat minimally processed whole foods. But for, if like it's 8 p.m. in the evening, I'm struggling to get in food, I'll eat something very calorically dense. So a piece of pizza, maybe I'll have a whole pizza, instead of something like a tub of vegetables. If you give me lettuce and I'm on a bulking 5,000 calorie diet, I'm not going to want to eat it. So that is how you use caloric density to your advantage. Right, so hope you guys found this useful. Just trying to provide values. Before my check-in video on Monday, I actually, snippet, spoiler, I went down, finally broke past the 190 pound barrier, so I'm 189.5 as of yesterday. Today it went up because I had my refeed, obviously, that's fine. But yeah, it's a milestone because I reached that barrier. Anyhow, more on that on Monday. But See you guys next time. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe, and check out my blog. I've actually started a fitness blog, and I just want to provide value to you guys, you know, help people out. So, see you guys next time.